Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day of Thanksgiving. I am in my kitchen slash living room ready to tackle whatever I need to do before everyone comes. And yes, we are hosting a party every year for our family in our house. So it's my husband's family and my family. And this is the one table that is already set up and ready. And here is our second table that is where I usually film. And it is already set up as well. And it's very cute. I bought these matching tablecloths for the round table and this table as well. I need to go ahead and finish some of the meat that I'm making. It's called French meat. I don't know if it's a real French meat. And I need to peel some potatoes and cut some waffle cake. Other than that, everything's ready and I would need to go change into something nicer and we're ready to celebrate this Thanksgiving. Are you waiting for everybody? Yeah. Are you excited? Here I am finished with my French meat that I call. It has pork loin, some onions, tomatoes, cheese, and some mayo on top. Now I need to pop these trays into my oven at 350 Fahrenheit at about, I don't know how many minutes. I don't usually time, but I look for a golden brown color on top and melted cheese. So good. Next thing on my agenda, a waffle cake that I made. This is not that big. There's 4 cakes over here. Each cake has 7 layers. Waffles with dulce de leche mixed with softened butter. Very good, very yummy. Everyone loves it and it's everybody's favorite, right? All right, you guys, it's happening. I have my Christmas sweater, I have my sisters over there. We're gonna be decorating. So what happened? The wire was cut and half the tree, just no lights. How cool is that? Yay!